The 2019-20 Colorado drone sightings were a series of widely sighted possible unidentified drones observed in the skies of northeastern Colorado and western Nebraska between December 2019 and January 2020. According to witness reports, the drones flew in grid formations in groups of up to 19 and were visible at night between 6 and 10 p.m. The Federal Aviation Administration (FBI) and local law enforcement investigated the sightings but have not yet determined the operator of the drones. Flying drones at night without a waiver from the FAA is a violation of federal law. Observations of mysterious drones spotted in northeastern Colorado and western Nebraska were first reported in December 2019. The drones were described as having blinking lights and a wingspan of about 6 feet. According to the Denver Post, the drones flew in groups of 6 to 10 and were usually seen between 7 and 10 p.m. The sheriff of Phillips County, Colorado, described the formation as a grid search and stated that the size and number of drones makes it unlikely that they are being operated by hobbyists. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.